Welcome back to Doris and Daddy Off-Road. Woo!
Hey, that's my line!
Today's video is going to be a little different. We just want to give a quick review of the Yukon cross-pin bolt extraction kit that we used to get the darn cross-pin bolt out of the differential on our Jeep. We will also include some pictures and video of the removal of that bolt in case you are faced with the same issue. If you found this video because you have a broken cross-pin bolt, you already know how tough it is to get any useful tools into that hole. The Yukon kit includes all of the bits you will need to remove the remnants of the cross-pin bolt. You could put together similar parts yourself for less money, but the kit makes it simple, and the hex bolts with the holes drilled through them ensure that you don't damage the threads in the carrier. The only issue that we had with the Yukon kit was that the included drill bit was completely dull from the factory. I suspect that this was a fluke, but it was pretty frustrating at the time. We ended up having to run out to a local hardware store to purchase a 1/8 inch by 12 inch drill bit. Once we had the sharp bit, the extraction was quick and easy. Drill the hole, insert the extractor, and turn out what was left of the bolt. We hope that this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.